In this video we are going to speak about the multi-currency mode. The multi-currency mode allows working with clients of the online store in the various currencies available on the website to every client. Clients of the online store will have an opportunity to create orders and make payments either simultaneously in all possible currencies or in the preferred one. Thanks to these functions, clients from various countries with different currencies can operate with the Web After-Resource system. If you have this mode on, here in the administrative part you will be able to select the currency that you can work with, and your clients in the clients part will also have this opportunity to select the necessary currency. Here in the settings of the system, general settings of the online store, in the subsection currencies, we can see the main setting, the main general setting. Manage payments only in the preferred currency or not. If we set the setting as no, it means that the whole system and all clients in the system will be able to make orders and make payments in all possible currencies inside the system. If we say yes, then we will be able to restrict this possibility for clients and set for each client, for each retail outlet and suppliers inside the system, their own currency. First of all, we will need to add the currency that we will work on the website. Here in the section Business Economics, Exchange Operations, List of Currencies, you can add a new currency to the website. One currency is a main currency, the currency by the default, and others you can add. Press the button Add and fill the necessary sections. Be aware that every currency that you add to the website cannot be deleted afterwards. In the next subsection, Current Exchange Rate, you can add the rate for the currencies that exist on your website. And here you can see the history of exchange rate. In section Retail Outlets, List of retail outlets, in the setting of the retail outlet, we see the option Manage payments only in the preferred currency. Here we have different options. First one, set by default, take the value from the general setting. Here is the general setting that we already saw previously. Here, the general setting is yes, manage payments only in the preferred currency. It means that this retail outlet will be working only in the preferred currency. And here in this section we can choose the preferred currency. For example, dollar. Every client of this retail outlet will be working with dollar and dollar only. We also have different options. We can say yes and set the currency, and say no, it means that the retail outlet and all the clients of this retail outlet will be working in every possible currency that we have on the website. In the multi-currencies mode, you also will need reference details of your retail outlets in different currencies. Here in the settings you can select the currency for the documents, any currency or a preferred one. In the section Online Store, Clients, Client List, in the setting of the client we also have the setting Manage payments only in the preferred currency. And the options are the same as with retail outlets. Take the value from the outlet store settings. No, it means that the client will be able to work with all the currencies. And yes, and choose a currency. In the section Business Economics, Pricing Policy, Client Category, we can set the maximum credit and minimum order amount in different currencies as well. In the clients list, in the setting of the client, we also can set the maximum credit amount in different currencies if you're working with it. In the section Work with Suppliers, Suppliers, List of Suppliers, we can also choose the currency of the supplier. In the section Business Economics, Types of Payments, we can set different restrictions for the online payment systems. Here in this section we can set the currency for the payment system. It can be all the currencies that we have on the website or a chosen one. In the client's part, if the client searches for the spare part on your website, your client will be able to change the currency. And the system will automatically recalculate the price according to the rate that you set in the section Business Economics Current Exchange Rate. In case your client makes an order in different currencies, he will have separate cards for each currency. Here, if the client wishes, he can change the currency. Like this. Let's log in and make the order. If the client is able to work in different currencies, then he can make the order in different currencies as well. Let's make the order in dollars and in ruble. Now let's go to the administrative part, to the section Online Store, Orders, Items in Orders. And here we can see two different orders. One of them is in rubles and the other one is in dollars. Here we have the option of conversion, and here we can recalculate everything to the chosen currency. These options work as filter of all the orders. So if I press dollar, the system shows me all the orders and items in orders in dollars. If I press ruble, I see all the orders and items in orders made in ruble. In the section Client List, we can also replenish account of the client in different currencies. Clients in the client part are also able to replenish their account in different currencies. If you don't want your clients to be able to replenish their accounts in their personal profile, you can always turn off this option. Here in General Settings of the online store, Settlements and Pricing, allow online balance recharge, yes or no. So that way you can manage your work in the online store in different currencies, in the administrative part and in client's part.